everyone, and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you are new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing, and if you do, make sure you introduce yourself in the comments so that I can get to know you. So Father's Day is only 2 weeks away, and it's always extra tricky for me because my husband's birthday is 2 weeks before Father's Day, so I have to come up with twice the gift ideas. So what I usually end up doing is buying him something for his birthday and then making some sort of DIY for Father's Day. So today I thought it would be fun to share 3 easy and inexpensive DIY Father's Day gifts that I guarantee that the dad in your life is going to love. The first one is this sweet personalized Father's Day frame. The next one is a lottery card bouquet. And then the third one is a cute footprint craft that I just know he's gonna love any one of these 3. So this is one of my favorite Father's Day gifts, and my husband absolutely loves it. This is absolutely perfect for a first Father's Day because you can continue to update it as the children grow every year. So it's really the gift that keeps on giving. All you need is a frame that has at least 3 openings, of course, and then you can get these letters at most craft stores. The hardest part about this gift is to get a picture where your kids are actually smiling. So here is how the frame currently looks. This picture is my son when he was a baby, and then last year I updated it to add my daughter, and then my son when he was 2. And then I'm just going to swap out and add in my updated pictures, and I added my presets to them so that they all have the same lighting. And I think they came out really good. So here's the finished product, how it turns out. I absolutely love how the pictures show the kids' personalities. I did apply my presets just to brighten them up a bit, and I love how they look. If you do want information on my presets, I'll link them in the description box. It's not an affiliate link, I just really love really bright pictures. So I will have that down in the description box for you if you are interested. Okay, so here's everything that you're gonna need to make the lottery bouquet. Of course, you're gonna wanna start out by getting a big variety of inexpensive scratch-off tickets, and then you're gonna need some type of stick. I just got these skewers. These are like the kind that you use for grilling, so I got them at the grocery store. A little vase, I'm just using a small mason jar. You're gonna need scissors, glue, and tape, and then of course you're gonna need the printout. And I am going to link this in the description box so you don't even have to worry about making it. You can just print it right out. And since I printed it on regular paper, I'm just gonna glue it on some poster board so that it's a little bit sturdier. So after I glued this little printout to the poster board, I'm just securing the lottery tickets to the wooden sticks with some tape. Then I'll just cut out the image and tape it to the back of the mason jar. I ended up buying a small bag of these small green decorative glass stones. You can find these at most craft stores. This just helped keep the lottery sticks in place. So here's how the lottery bouquet turned out. I think it looks really good, and I got enough lottery tickets to make it look pretty full. Again, I'll have this little printable linked in the description box, so you can just print that out if you want to make this on your own. And I think my husband's gonna love this. I mean, who doesn't love scratch-off tickets? So it'll be a really fun gift, I think, and my kids can also help do the scratch-off, so it'll be a good little family activity. Alright, so to get started, you are going to need a pair of your husband or the kids' dad's shoes. And you definitely don't want to use their nicest pair. I wouldn't suggest pulling out the Pradas. So I'm just using my husband's basic black sneakers for this. And you are going to want some washable paint. And washable is very, very, very important at that point. You're going to want to get 3 different colors. One to make the outline of the shoes, and then I guess you only need 1 color if you only have 1 child, but if you're doing 2 different kids, then you want 2 different colors. So I'm going to use pink and blue for my boy and girl. You're going to want a piece of like poster board. I actually wish mine was a little bit bigger, but I'm going to make it work. And then a paintbrush. So to start, you just want to apply a thin layer of the black paint. And if you are my husband and you're watching, I would love for you to leave me a comment and let me know, are you having a small heart attack when you see me painting your shoes? But seriously, you just want to press down the shoe onto the poster board to make the outline, and then of course repeat this process for both shoes. Okay, now comes the hard part. You have to get your kids' footprints on this thing. So after you've let the shoe prints completely dry, I found the safest way to do this so you don't end up with paint all over your floor is to secure your kids in the high chair. Then you just want to apply the paint to the bottom of each of their feet. And my kids actually thought this was hilarious. Then just gently press them over the shoe prints. So here is how the craft turned out. I think it came out so cute, and I love crafts like this that just show you how small they really are. Like, look at how tiny their footprints are compared to my husband's shoe marks. And at the top I just wrote following in Daddy's footsteps, but the inspiration that I found on Pinterest said walking in our hero's shoes. So that's another good option. And then at the bottom, I just wrote Father's Day 2019, just so I can remember what year it was and how old the kids were. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with this. I might go buy a frame, and then we could hang this maybe in our playroom. And I think I might add a couple stickers just to fill up these 2 empty spaces here. But I think it's so cute, and my husband is just gonna love it. All right, so that is it. I hope that you enjoyed seeing these 3 fun Father's Day DIYs. Let me know in the comments all the way at the bottom which one is your favorite and what you are planning on doing to celebrate Father's Day. For any dads out there watching, I wish you a very happy Father's Day. We really appreciate all that you do for your families, and I'm gonna see you guys on Thursday with a brand new video. Bye!